Hello and welcome to the Homemaking Exchange. In this video we're making an easy vanilla cake in the microwave. Start out by getting a bowl that's not too big, about a cereal sized bowl, and then you're going to add your butter. I like to kind of cut this up so that it will melt a little bit more evenly in the microwave. Heat it up for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, just until it's warm enough to melt the butter. If it does get too hot, you can go ahead and let it cool off on the counter for a couple minutes before you add the sugar. Once it's just warm to the touch, add your sugar and vanilla extract, and then mix those together until they are well combined. Then set that aside, and in a separate small container you're going to mix together your flour, baking powder, and salt. I like to use a fork for this to act like a whisk, and I just mix them together until they're combined. Grab your butter mixture again, you can stir it up one more time, and then you're going to sprinkle your dry ingredients right across the top of the wet ones. You want to cover the butter up as much as you can. The flour is going to provide a barrier between the warm butter and the cold milk so that your butter won't seize up and give your cake a strange texture. Use your fork to mix everything together very well. It doesn't have to be perfectly smooth, but you do want it to be pretty smooth, and you don't want any big lumps to be in your mixture. Once you've done that, you can add sprinkles if you like, and then just use your fork to gently fold those into the batter. And then before I stick it in the microwave, I like to use a paper towel to clean up the edges. Once it's all cleaned up, you're going to stick that into your microwave for 1 to 2 minutes depending on the strength of your microwave. Here's how mine looks after 1 minute. It's not done yet. I let it go for another 30 seconds. Here's how it looks. It's still not quite done, so I let it go for the full 2 minutes, and mine was just right. You can check this with a toothpick. You can see that only a couple crumbs come off after the 2-minute mark. Try not to overcook this. And once it's done, I just set it on the counter to cool, and I top it with some whipped cream. You can add sprinkles if you like. And this is a really moist and soft, easy cake to satisfy your sweet tooth in just a couple minutes. If you're interested in the recipe, you can find it in the description box below. Thank you for watching.